One of the simplest ways to interact with our virtual world is to use the laser pointer. In this video, I'm going to add a laser pointer and use it to trigger our character speaking. This will be using the speaking feature from my video number 6, Lip Sync. First, I'm going to the right hand and add the SteamVR Laser Pointer script component. Then go to the head of our character and add my new script, Act on Pointer Click. Let's run this. As you can see, we now have a laser pointer. If we point at our character, the colour of the laser pointer changes from black to yellow. And if we click on our character, the character speaks.
Hello, my name is Chris Taylor.
So, how did we do this? The script is very simple. The start function caches a reference to the SteamVR Laser Pointer component and then adds the 3 callback functions for the various pointer events. The start function also caches a reference to the speaking component, because in this example, we want to trigger our character speaking when we click on her. In both cases, it would be better to add protection for the possibility that we might not have a right-hand game object, and also that getComponent might return null. However, I am trying to keep the code as simple as possible for this video. Pointer inside is called whenever the laser pointer starts to collide with a target. In our case, we only have one collidable object, and when we collide, we set the pointer colour to yellow. Pointer outside is called whenever the laser pointer ceases to collide with a target. We use this to set the colour back to black. Pointer click is called whenever the laser pointer clicks on a target. We use this to issue the request to play our voice clip. My next video will be about walking on uneven ground in SteamVR.